How do I renew my PAL online? Renewing your PAL is easy using the RCMP's individual web services. Here's how. One click to renew. Visit the official RCMP website and use their secure online service to begin your application. You'll need your firearms license number and personal identification information. 2. Prepare these details. Current and previous spousal information, if applicable. Payment information, credit card. A recent digital photo that meets the required specifications. 3 forms you might need if you do not want to renew online. PAL renewal form. Use this for renewing a license that hasn't yet expired. PAL application form. If your license has expired or you're applying for a different class of firearm, note, if your license expired after November 30th, 2017, you're eligible for a 6-month extension period to complete your renewal. Ready to take the next step? Visit BC Firearms Academy for free online PL and RPAL study materials, as well as in-person CFSC and CRFSC courses and core challenges. Get your PAL today with BC Firearms Academy.